Hello students, today we are going to discuss another important cell organelle, that is vacuoles. Vacuoles are usually found in plant cells. Large and prominent vacuoles are found in plant cells. And in animal cells, vacuoles are generally absent, but if found, they are of small size. Food vacuoles and contractile vacuoles are found in unicellular organisms. Examples are amoeba and paramecium. So let us begin. Vacuoles. Vacuole is also called storage sacs. Storage sacs for solid and liquid contents. Vacuoles are also known as storage sacs for solid and liquid contents. So let us begin. Vacuoles. Suppose if this is a cell, if this is the cell, this is the large and prominent vacuoles. Because of its large size, it pushes the nucleus towards periphery. This is nucleus and this is the large vacuoles. Okay. So if we talk about vacuoles, it is found in plant cells. Large and single vacuoles are found in plant cells, while it is absent in generally absent in animal cell, and if found it is of small size. Examples are food vacuoles, food and contractile vacuoles, found in amoeba and paramecium. So, in animal cells, these vacuoles are generally absent, but if it is found, it is of small size, and food and contractile vacuoles are the examples of vacuoles in animal cells, that is found in amoeba and paramecium. Now let us move towards the vacuoles of plant cells. Vacuoles of plant cells. Vacuoles of plant cells are filled with fluid. Vacuoles of plant cells are filled with fluid. In some plant cells, almost vacuoles occupies 50 to 90% of the cell volume. In some plant cells, vacuoles occupies 50 to 90% of the cell volume. It contains fluid that is known as cell sap. This is filled with fluid and that fluid is called cell sap. This cell sap is made up of sugar, proteins, amino acids and also few organic acids. This cell sap is made of sugar, amino acids, proteins and organic acids. This also contains waste materials. It also contains waste materials. Now let us see what are the function of the vacuoles. Function of the vacuoles. Since vacuoles is filled with fluid, it exerts pressure on the wall. So it gives turgidity to the cells. Turgidity to the cell. That means it exerts pressure on the wall. That means it exerts pressure on the wall. It exerts pressure on the wall. It also gives rigidity. It also gives rigidity to the cell. Rigidity means hardness to the cell and works as store and support. Also support and store food material. Works as storage and support to the cell. So let us have a quick recap that what we have learned today. We have seen vacuoles is also known as storage sacs for solid and liquid contents. They are found in plant cells. Large vacuole is found in the plant cells. It is generally absent in animal cells, while if it is found, it is of small size. Food vacuoles and contractile vacuoles are the vacuoles that are found in amoeba and paramecium. And let us see the structure of vacuoles of plant cells. Vacuoles occupies 50 to 90% of the cell volume in few plant cells. It contains fluid that is called cell sap, and this cell sap is made of sugar, proteins, amino acids and organic acids. It also contains waste materials. Now the function of vacuoles, it gives turgidity to the cell since it is filled with fluid, so it exerts pressure on the wall, and this process is called turgidity. It also gives rigidity or hardness to the cells, works as storage and support to the cell. So this is all about vacuoles. Thank you.